public speaking exercise stood in my mind because I was addressing.
And you will not be grown up when you are in your 20s. This is a wonderful day for all of you.
A very important event which is going to be organized in Jammu and Kashmir in the last week of May. The third tourism working group meeting of the G20 countries is going to be held in Kashmir in the last week of May. As a prelude to that and as some kind of a participatory exercise where students from various schools, colleges and especially universities are being involved today in a model G20 summit to give these bright young minds a taste of how things operate on a global platform. There are 2 or 3 purposes of this. One, that in the run-up to the G20 event, there is massive participation that we are seeing from the people of Jammu and Kashmir, the general public of Jammu and Kashmir, jahan pe students as you say are widely participating in various events. The government of Jammu and Kashmir is organizing different events in the run-up to the main event. This is in the sense of a public participation for this massive event for us, which is on such an international scale and has the potential to promote J&K tourism on the next level, to the next level at a global platform.